Hello everyone, and welcome to Mr. B's short English lesson. Today we talk about the future with going to. I'm going to tell you when you use the future with going to, and how you do it in positive sentences, in negative sentences, and in questions. So when do we use the future with going to? We use the future with going to when we talk about plans or intentions for the future, or when there are signs that something is going to happen. Let's take a closer look. First, about plans or intentions. I'm going to visit my grandparents next weekend. Next weekend is a signal word for the future, and I'm going to visit is a plan or intention, what I am going to do next weekend, so you have to use the future with going to here. Oh, look at the clouds. It's going to rain soon. Again, soon is a signal word for the future. And the clouds here are a sign that it is going to rain soon. So once again, you have to use the future with going to. How do you do it? In positive sentences, you have a form of be. The forms of be are am, is, and are. You use am when you have I, is with he, she, it, and are with you, they, or we. Then you have the going to, and after going to, the verb in the infinitive form without to. She is the subject of the sentence, and then you have she is going to sing a song. In negative sentences, you have to put a not after the form of be. So it's I am not, he, she, it is not, or in the short form isn't, we, you, and they are not or aren't in the short form. Then you have the going to again and the infinitive form of the verb. So she isn't going to sing a song. And in the end, let's look at the questions. In a question, the form of be is in front of the subject. So you start with the form of be, and then you have the subject, then the going to, and then the verb in the infinitive form, and in the end maybe an object. So is she going to sing a song is the question here. And you know when you start with the form of be, you have to give short answers. The short answer could be yes, she is, or no, she isn't. There can be a question word in front of the form of be. For example, what is she going to sing? And when you have a question word in front of the form of be, you have to give a long answer. Here, she's going to sing a song. So much for the future with going to. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.